Okay, all right. So sometimes, okay, if you need more control over how your data is sorted, okay, you can add multiple levels, okay, to any sort. This allow you to sort your data by more than one column. Okay, all right. So to add a level, okay, into your data, all right. In our example here, we will sort the worksheet by the t-shirt size. Okay, all right, and then in column D here, and then by homeroom number, by homeroom number is a column A. Okay, so first we need to select a cell, okay, all right, in the column that you want to sort by. In our example, we will select cell A2 first. Okay, all right, and then click the data tab, and then click the sort command. Data type, sort command, all right, and then the sort dialog box will appear here. All right, so select the first column you want to sort by. In this example, we will sort by t-shirt size, column D. Okay, all right, and then with the custom list we previously created for the order field. Okay, and then you click add level. Okay, to add another column to sort by, okay, select the next column that you want to sort by, and then you click OK. All right, in our example here, we will sort by home room number, column A. All right, so, and then okay, we want it to be from smallest to largest. Okay, and then you click OK. So the worksheet will be sorted according to the selected order. Okay, in our example, the orders are sorted, okay, by t-shirt size. Okay, within each group, okay, of t-shirt sizes, okay, students are sorted by home room number. So if, okay, another thing is, if you need to change the order of a multiple level sort, right, it's easy to control, okay, which column is sorted first. Okay, so example here, right, we select again the sort button, sort command button here. All right, and then you will see here, okay, the move up or move down button, arrow, all right, to adjust the priority of the column that you want to sort. Okay, so you can adjust by using these two buttons. Okay, move up and move down button.